How to fix Instagram hashtag not showing problem. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates like this. Basically, there are two reasons for the hashtag not showing in your searches also. The first reason is if your Instagram account is in private, then you won't be able to find the hashtag. So for checking whether your account is private or not, go to the profile icon in the right lower bottom corner. After that, tap on the hamburger option in the right upper corner, and here you have to tap on the settings and privacy option. After that, scroll down below and tap on the account privacy option. So here you can see my account is private, so in this case you won't be able to find a hashtag you are searching for, because hashtag is usually used for promoting the post. But if your account is private, then the Instagram won't promote your post, so you won't be able to find the hashtag. And the next reason is if you use the same hashtag for multiple posts, then also you won't be able to find the hashtag you are searching for. So you have to use different hashtag for different posts. If you fix these two problems, then you will be able to fix Instagram hashtags not showing problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Hope to see you guys in the next video.